Wise money transfer tutorial. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Wise money transfer tutorial. Okay, so this is Wise is basically a money transfer tool or app, you can say. From here we can just send exactly the amount of money you want to choose. For example, 1000 USD to 738 pounds, like this. You can change bank contact from here. You can enter these addresses from here and etc. You can compare fees also with other things. Here you can see them, and then you can just simply send money. You have to enter your email address, or you can sign up with your Gmail, Facebook account, Apple account. For now I'm gonna go with the Gmail account. Then you have to continue with it, and after continuing with it you have to choose what are you using for. Then you have to enter your country or region. For example, I'm going to choose United States, then tap on to continue, and then there we go. Now you have to tap continue. You have to enter your phone number, then you have to send verification code. You have to confirm it. You have to set up your password, and then you can easily send up your money onto Wise. So this is how you can do it. You can send money with the help of Wise. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. You can also open an account by clicking onto here, as I just already showed you. So that's it. See you until another video.